It's full. Isn't it? I'm sorry, I can't see a menu outside. It's a table tennis table or something like that.
38, is it? Yeah.
We'll come back that way when there's going to be something like over 300 cars here today, so yeah. Old station house, look. Well, it does bricked up. What does that mean? Jizz or piz? What's that?
It's not Joseph Locke, is it?
It could be.
Is it, isn't it?
Somebody lives in it.
They're not very good. They're a long nights and all, I'm going to be playing. Hello? Hey, I know. What? Oh, it's alright. Well, it's same, yeah, it's running alright. It's just that same.
Look, that tower, the drawing off. I'll show you that later. Now we're having the man himself, Joseph Locke. This part was donated to the town in memory of Joseph Locke, railway engineer, 1805 to 1860. He was raised in Barnsley. Born and bred lad.
What are you old then? What are you, 55?
He weren't, no, but he was a genius. Your best mate with Brunel, I believe.
Oh,
And he made like a lot of famous bridges, yeah.
isn't that Ethan Brunel?
That's him. Right, what's that?
I'm going to walk Locke Park at the
The sister, yeah. Can't even get him all in shot. Scary.
55, you want me?
Well, they didn't live that long in them days, did they? You might say something on them plaques. Well, why they're here, I mean, Barnsley's not Greece, is it? What are they for? Sun's in chuffing shot. No. It's a plaque for the actual things, whatever they're for. Is it out the side where it tells you about it? Oh, let's try and get round. No, not a word. What is the reason? Does anybody know? Can't see much yet. Where's all the stall stuff? It looks like there's no bandstand this time. Good. Can't put brass music on YouTube anyway.
Is there also one in playing?
Yeah. Is it Dodworth Collieries? I think we're on one side of stalls now.
I don't know what that was.
Some labs over there.
Huh?
Some labs over there. Let's go this way. Back at stalls. Yeah, book from my dad there, shooting made easy.
That's nice, look, isn't it?
What's in it? Gamekeeper, your first gun, pigeon shooting.
Practical gun.
Near water. Is it air? Generator. Oh look, here it is. That's good, isn't it? Old chirper man. Yeah, we're just looking at.
You're welcome, no problem. £8 each, 2 for 15 on Batman and Bond.
The genuine things.
And tells you what that which film was from.
Yeah.
So basically,
Who makes them?
every model. Well, it was they used to do the film in the magazine is. I can't remember the manufacturer.
Yeah.
But basically, there's 137 models. So any vehicle that was in a Bond movie, whether it was 2 seconds,
Wow, that
was
many.
aboard a car, or 4 hours, they made a model.
Wow.
You had a look. Pickfords.
Old watches, look. Jimi Hendrix book.
So,
Jewelry.
Jockeys and
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Coffee and cake.
Have a nice day now.
Kebab.
The only thing with this one is I'll check with that. Where's that one?
Pillars.
Did you take photos of it? Collins and
Yeah, I did. Yeah, it's like a jumble sale. Like raffles, aren't there, and things like that.
It's always been.
Yeah, I did the Duke there.
Yeah. Quite a few here though, isn't there? It was fun. So
Exactly. So there you know then.
like Antil mob, isn't it?
Still.
Look at that car. Mum,
I'm surprised there isn't as many stores in here,
look
isn't
at
it?
that red car.
You are? Yeah, we've got one now.
Yeah, for rehab and stuff.
Arthritis to get the joints going.
What's that big old bus?
Is that the pool?
Yeah.
It's not like a normal swimming pool.
It's all regulated.
Granville. Pontiac.
Maroon.
You've just been out front of it, so Rolls Royce.
I didn't see it.
Big fat ass, isn't it? Can't get it in shot.
Battery on the side.
Tall Cadillac. That's big and all, isn't it? You have to put it on the street to turn it round. Sorry, Al.
Alright.
So,
Frog-eyed sprout.
yeah, when if you miss like that
What's that? Looks like a
no, it's a sort of like
Bristol.
Oh,
That's a Ford Popular. Yeah. 1930s, I think. Oh, that's a nice tree.
Pigs on there.
Look at it inside, it's like a wood cabinet.
Like it's not been set in.
No airbag. God, look at its arse end. It's just. What is it? It's like a plane without wings on it. It's arse end. It is, isn't it? It's a Bristol.
Oh, the
You
horse
see it?
there.
Oh well, everybody had one in the 50s. My dad had one of them.
60s and all.
Zephyr like that.
Oh, Zephyr.
Seen it on photos with his slick back head in
Oh,
60s.
it's Zephyr.
We did.
Dad.
Is it a Mark,
Zodiac.
Mark IV, that, yeah.
It's Zephyr Zodiac. And they changed a bit, didn't they then? They were a bit of a different thing.
1964. It might actually be the one that he had. I don't know. Same colour.
Anyway.
I've been restored. We get a plate and then he knows. I'll show you. Tom Mini. Look at the size of that boot on that caddy. The size of that boot on that caddy, you get about 14 suitcases in the back of that.
They have to put bodies in, innit? Gangsters.
Yeah. Mark II Jag, that's like a Sweeney. They're always chasing bad guys in that, aren't they?
Yeah.
What is that? That looks wrong. It's like too fat to be a... It's like a Jag that's crossed with Thunderbirds or something. Isn't it? You'd expect Lady Penelope to be in that. If it were pink. It's all Volvo. What's that doing here? Mazda MX-5 is not a classic car, is it? Mazda MX-5 is not a classic car. What were it called? Mini Clubman.
Oh, not like that. It's
Like a van. Would do, wasn't that? Or what it Traveller, I don't know. club.
different at front, aren't they?
$50 mile an hour speed limit and then $40 mile an hour.
What's going on here? Some kind of
Few caution the whole
car tuning shop.
Is that a...
It is indeed. Top, is it 924? Yeah, that's what the man done. Anyways.
62.
𝐿𝐴𝐚𝐫𝐤. Cortina.
Oh my god, look at this.
proper minute.
With CND backlights on it. Is that one of them amphicars? No?
What?
Is that one of them amphicars? Go on water.
Oh, that.
It's got no grill on front. You have one of them as well? It does. The test version.
Oh, Triumph, is it? It's sort of a twat and bother,
So big that's already out going, isn't it? What's that doing here? Fucking Nissan.
Look at that. A thin cream. What is it, that?
I ain't got a clue.
It's in there, man.
It's a Vauxhall. In other words, General Motors. That one state.
Orange and lemons. It's
It is indeed. We called them end watchers because they were like always at the bottom of somebody's garden with ends in them, rotting away. Yeah, one of them, no, man.
What's that? Got in?
No, I knew that before I
White
came
with a black
round
round and roof on
yeah.
it.
I looked inside.
Swedish import,
No
I
red
believe.
pants.
It did something on
Yes,
bonnet.
not GXL when it was I have an advantage in that, in my father had an L red XL. Right.
So, I always wanted one of them, but I can't have it. Less silly one.
It's a nice colour, that.
I'm sure the tag up there. So. Two complete, square lights. That's Mark
Yeah,
2.
they're quite...
Mark 3 head round lights at front.
Blow chuffing tyres up front of us or something.
That's sort of early 70s, I think. That. It's in good condition though. That comes with its own money box on the bonnet. For saving up for petrol.
Triumph.
What is that? It's got a wheel missing.
For sale,
price.
buy that.
Hi. Remortgage house. I think you'd have bought one of them shooting books. Another Mark 2 could be. Look at the thing hanging out at petrol cab.
Where?
Yeah,
What is it?
like a dead cat. Put tiger in the tank, it's a Esso in it. That one from the 70s. Heart to heart, warm one. Mark 2, yeah. God. Now that's all Granada, that.
food though, isn't it?
Yeah,
I've seen the first.
it's probably 90s. 𝐿𝐸, 94, 93. God, no, but it's hard.
It's like a bin.
3 boxes stuck together, called it a Volvo. The sun's a pain, really. It's making everything look dark. This in Skyline. Late 90s. What a right beast. Yeah. 6-cylinder lump in it.
I'm off to go, yeah. Get my son off. You look after your son.
Rover P6, first V8 in the country. It is, yeah. Yeah, that was a posh version, wasn't it? With walnut dashboard in it, and with walnut dashboard in it and all that. Time stag. They were bad for overeating, I think.
Oh, what are them with reindeer on?
Time stag.
Oh, are
3 V8 in them, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. They did something similar to that same front end, but it wasn't a V8, it was a V6. I think they called it a 2.5i. Down here. Of course, can't get more classic than a Beetle, can you?
it's a food on it.
Yeah.
I think it's quite old. I think it's actually
XR3i convertible. Or is it XR3? What?
Cortina saloon, isn't it?
1.3 Cortina, that's small for a Cortina. I thought they were all 1.6 and 2 litres. God, MG Maestro that's not rusty. And Metrot. Nova GTE. I mean, remember advert for it? It went riding around a building site, wasn't it? Jumping through pipes and stuff. That's an old 7 Series. They were big then. That's like I had. Mine was a 2-litre laser. Mark 3. No, it was silver. Like professionals, CI5. RS16i was basically an XR3i, wasn't it? With different seats in it. That's a big lump. Trouble with the 2.8 injection. Yeah, indeed. Top Range Rover, our first Range Rover. Bit tatty though. God, them, right?
Takes your scar.
They go around a racetrack with 3 wheels on and not wheel hub would not touch the floor. Amazing idea.
That one.
Why did it catch on? I know it looks ugly, but what an idea for the car.
Is that an Austin Cambridge or?
That is, I think, and that is a Renault
Jeff
4.
Edwin, they were learning, but they never bothered asking us
You don't see many of them.
I'm not sure. I don't know why.
A lot of Cortinas, isn't there? Didn't know there were that many left. XR2, Mark II. It's 40-year-old. Can you believe that? It's B-Reg. Like 84 or 5, isn't it? Bentley. That's like Arthur Daly's, isn't it? That?
Golden.
Yeah. Off a Minder.
Just watch Joanne Stebbins. That colour.
Joanne Stebbins, the Rolls Royce.
Like that.
Oh my God.
You know when she got married? I'm not married. Either down to we went to that. You know, we went to South Africa for Christmas. Like that. I wasn't too
I had one of them as well, it went to the state. BMW E30. It's going back 22 years. I just heard that. Christ, time flies. Toggle over. Not half. That's like 3 boxes stuck together, isn't it? 205. Not GTI though. Bub. Having a tea party.
Thank you.
It's a little thing, isn't it? What is it?
Suzuki. I don't know where you greasy head cunt.
Came back to see family.
Dumb family. Mark 4 Escort.
That looks green, isn't it?
My dad had one the same colour, but this one a Mark 3. It's like a jadey colour, isn't it?
Take your glasses off, it looks blue.
No. Back end rises up when you start. Wow, it's going to take off. Yep, DS. 70s. Smell diesel. So the exhaust. Been restored.
This one I like.
Gold. I believe it's a Mark 1, no.
What?
That Mark 1 gold. Convertible. Rare as hen's teeth. Good God. Remember them. Triton. That's an old Citroen as well. I think.
It's automatic. It's automatic.
It needs to be that big to get engine in. Size of engine, it's huge. 6 foot long. It's a Mondeo doing it. Hey? Yeah. Like what was it? 90s. It's 𝐒𝐴𝐥𝐚. Much more classic than that, isn't it? This must be MG's owners club or something. It is a Citroen. I think that was CS. Same sort of idea with hydraulic suspension. And that, I think, had windscreen wipers that came on and it sensed a bit of rain.
Yes. Could do with
And
it.
lights came on. If it went in a tunnel or lights come on automatically. Back in the 70s. And most cars ain't got that today, have they?
No.
So much rumbling somewhere. See what I mean? When it dogs, it's British racing green, of course.
Alright, just coil where it is.
comes up, isn't it? All wings and what comes up? I like that. That pops in some light, doesn't it?
Come back a bit.
Trying to get it all in, but can't see what it's got outside there. Some kind of like demons or something.
That way.
That other side. Don't know, popping sun that, doesn't it? It's like a Grim Reaper or something like it.
I was just going to say sparkles, my mum was like,
Get a picture of that when you go on that because it was a long time.
Long body, but not exactly a massive engine. It's like a waste of space, isn't it? What is that? It's ugly. It's like a fish on wheels. Daimler. It's not that far. Yeah. Now what does that remind you of? Who drove one of them? Roger Moore in the same Volvo. Not Master might want them.
Yeah, we'll do.
Garage sign, isn't it? There's way too many MGs here, I think. Z3. TBR, of course. Originally made in Blackpool. TBR. I think a Russian bought it. Mark 1 XR2. Once upon a time that was a sports car. That Focus of yours has got more horsepower than that. Not many of them left.
Wow. What is it?
RS. Focus Mark 1. Can't we still another halfway through it yet? It's only been here for an hour. Right.
Don't see it all.
I want to go around it all there.
I think we are.
Just take
there.
best bits out of it, can't I? Say, one of the longest videos I've done.
I think we are there through.
Get the double reel. 10-ton total.
See you now.
What? Yeah, he did. this. It's got a bar in it. Yeah. That's it, continue. 𝐿𝐷 turbo. Another Granada. That was good.
Yeah, what happened? I got this one right.
John Mexico, another 𝐿𝐷.
Don't get lost with that.
Right, I'll give you the buzzer and I'll...
It's interesting.
What's that big? Come on, let's skip this guy.
Nice. I do like this. This to me growing up was this is like a futuristic car.
So you can drop in there. Go get that in Wacky, look. Some
Back to
80s.
Escort, is it just Alphonse now? This?
That's 𝐿𝐷 turbo, yeah. S1, Series 1. I bet they go for silly money now then. Can't get no near Mustang. Can I have one?
What?
Man,
That? Yeah, well, how much is it?
about 50 grand.
Right, it's in the back pocket.
You've got ducks inside, look.
What?
It's a Roush Mustang. Oh my god. It's tuned, in other words.
It's a Ford one.
It is, but they buy my Ford and blow them up, don't they? Tune them up. Another RS. Two at the same show. Gold plated bulkhead. No, it's just an heat shield, isn't it?
What?
That gold at the back on the
I'm
bulkhead.
looking at that, definitely.
Well, at least it's different. It's unique. Some good airbrushing though. Yeah. Take it, that's a petrol tank at front. God. 𝐿𝐷𝐤𝐴venger. Well, they always pool brown.
If I want the like that bronzy gold.
Antique gold. Yeah.
Where are you?
Let's skip some. It might be. This is Beetle Street, I think. Wheelie Fresh. Shirley Cosworth. Thought they'd all been nicked. Look at that. This is something definitely for Thunderbirds. 𝐿𝐷𝐤𝐿𝐷, not right, it's a fucking animal. Hustler 6. That looks mean, doesn't it? Forward.
What is it? Bug out? What is it?
It's an old Ford pickup truck.
It's dead Korean.
Quilted dashboard.
What is it?
Look at gear changer, it's like Daffy Duck or something.
It's not supposed to be anything.
Where's it got two winders? Is one on handle?
It's better what I'm doing with one of them.
It's a forward. And it's a pickup. This old bloke's getting a bit fits and all. This old bloke. God, it's clean. Is that? It's got a swimming pool in the back below. Size that lump in it. What is that? Oh, it's like a pickup. As long as I say I've never seen one before. God, an old beaver. That's a 70s colour and all over us all.
Look at it, Dad.
It's all crazy. There's a sun damage, eh?
About curly hair, so we're both
Where's it going?
I know, because it's what if one delivering here an hour. I'll just set up about 10.
Get the tower in. It seems sooty man.
It's bigger than that.
It's a 1970s bathroom suite.
Porcelain's engine, but it's got a turbo in it.
Would you please? Would you please? You can film me, right? I've never seen them this far up. Gas shock, isn't it? Suspension. Double arches on it. Bug-borne grill. Stakeable knot. Classic. XR3. Not the XR3i. It's all white wheels.
She insisted on dropping me off.
Never seen a green Mexico. Never seen a green Mexico before.
Is that Mexico?
Yeah, I don't know if they made them like that colour. Seen quite a few of them this time. Mark 1 Golf convertibles. I think it's the same, isn't it? Yeah. That's the tower. You can go up that on certain days of the month. Aren't you? That tower. Look at that tower. It's that green bit at the top there. I think it's about £2. God, how many quattro? Big, isn't it? That is a Bedford CS, is it? Vauxhall. May have had a van in that.
It's not been many persons.
Because they all rotted away. There was a Bedford version of it and a Vauxhall one, wasn't there? Harry Potter fans?
Then we never did it.
It's old Datsun. That was first Nissan 370, wasn't it? Yeah. 70s version. Yeah, I think we've seen enough. Shortcut. So there's all this for kids, isn't it? All this for kids and all if they wanted to have a day out. Yeah. No, we didn't.
No, it's just slides and got it.
Well, this is not as big as usual. It's usually right down to Plane Park, isn't it? The usual things like
Is that a focus?
it is, not finger off it.
Did they want the ring in it?
They would indeed, yeah. Anyway, that was Barnsley's Locke Park Summer Gala. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll catch you up next in our city.